restaurant. It's the more popular cocktail. But do you try there before? The Moscow Mule is like one example of the cocktail, but you make here with mezcal.
Yeah.
You have the flavor smoking the mezcal, and you have here the ginger fresh. For Moscow Mule, use it the ginger beer. It's the fermented ginger soda. Yeah. Okay, but you make it with mezcal.
Yeah.
The bartender is Armando and Jaime. He's the professional bartenders, make everything cocktails for Metate. And my partner is Freddy.
Freddy Armando.
Freddy and Armando and Angel.
Yes.
Okay. In a small shot, you have the basil, mint. You follow Armando, okay?
Yes.
Everything make. You have the basil and mint. You put on you clean hand just the herbs, the basil and ginger. You have? Yeah. Just put on the hand.
Oh.
And now you need have the 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Now. No, it's a fresh.
With the fresh ginger in there too.
Fresh is
Without
milk. Yeah.
ginger?
Oh, I didn't put the ginger.
You have the one shaker with 2 sides. The small side you use it for put everything inside. Yeah. On the small side the shaker. Like Armando.
Ginger?
No.
No ginger.
Just the basil.
Basil and mint. No ginger.
Yeah. Now you put the ginger and you broke like 3 pieces.
Now we break this.
You don't even broke more like because
Armando,
you have the
what do I do?
Look it, follow Armando.
Follow Armando. Armando knows what I'm doing here. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put on the shaker. Okay, perfect. Now you have
Macerator.
macerator. Use it for match everything ingredients you have on the small shaker. But it's slow because but do you have hard match? It's like you make like a bitter.
Armando knows.
Okay, stop. Now back put on the glass of water for clean.
Oh.
Okay, back. Now you have the jigger with 2 sides. You use the small side for you serve it the lime juice. 1 ounces and put inside of the shaker.
Golden.
And this bottle, the small bottle, you have the simple syrup, but you
good?
use it the same 1 ounces.
1 ounce. Yeah.
Si ustedes no gustan,
My 1
así,
ounce was
pues,
like 2 ounces, but it's fine. Okay. Golden.
But do you like more sweet? It's possible more. Yeah, simple syrup. Simple syrup.
We're teaching them how to do it.
The principal. Now you back for clean the jigger on the old fashioned. No, the old fashioned small with water for clean. Yeah. Wash it and use now the big side for mezcal. The principal ingredient.
All right. We go big.
But do you need 2
double.
ounces?
2 ounces.
2 ounces. But do you need more? It's possible to serve it. No problem.
Comes out faster than yours. All right. I'm gonna go a little bit bigger. All right. Oh, 2?
2.
Oh, 2. 1.
Are you serving the mezcal?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Here we go. Done.
Okay. Now you need ice. Armando serving the ice for everything.
This guy?
Yeah. And the big side.
big
of
ice.
The big side for
Big
you.
cup of ice.
Shaker. Yeah, perfect. This is wash for clean. It's good.
Okay.
You need like 3 pieces of the ice. You need more because the side the glass is old fashioned. Old fashioned. I'm sorry.
All right. I got a cup of ice.
¿Cómo se dice cuando van a juntar?
Pour it in.
Pour it in.
There
Pour
you
it
go.
in.
We're looking for words.
Thank you.
I got you. Pour it in. Hit it.
Hit it.
Hit it and shake it.
And shake it with your style.
I do
It's more-
bartending in my
it's
short
better
time.
with
It's fine.
safety. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's more easy.
Yeah. Ooh, it's been cold.
¿Cómo se dice para que me